Hi everyone, I am Tufan. Today we will learn about the third chapter of class 4, which is multiplication. Okay, so first we will start with the properties of multiplication. Multiplication we are familiar with, we know the multiplication, but here we will learn something which will make your multiplication easy. You can do multiplication very easily. Okay, so for that we will learn some properties of multiplication. So here we will learn about some properties. So first properties of multiplication says the product of two number does not change. Okay. So for example, if you are multiplying 4 multiply 8 is equal to 32. Even after changing the place or changing the numbers, places. First 4 multiply 8 is 32. So 8 multiply 4 will also be 32. Okay. मतलब ये बोला जा रहा है कि आप अगर इंटरचेंज करते हो प्लेस को तो उसका रिजल्ट में इंपैक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. आप पहले 4 को लिखो या पहले 8 को लिखो, रिजल्ट जो होगा वो सेम होगा. So even after interchanging the places, the result will come same. And second property says this is same for the larger number also, I mean more number also. For example, 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So how much? 6, 6, 5 are 30, right? So if you are writing 5 multiply 2 multiply 3, also answer will come 30. So 5 to 10, 10 3 are 30, right? So it doesn't matter that when you are writing the numbers, if all the numbers are same, then the result will also come same. So these are the first two properties of multiplication. Even after exchanging their places, interchanging their places, the result will come always same. Okay. Now next property is the product of number and 1. If you multiply any number with 1, the result always come the same number. The same number means, for example, third property says कि 462 multiply 1 is always 462. So the number itself. Whenever you multiply any number, I mean 1 with any number, the result or answer will come the number itself. Okay. So if you are multiplying another number, let's take another example. 738 multiply 1, always it will come 738. 1 multiply 796, always 796. If you multiply 1 with any particular number, okay, or any particular number with 1, so the result will come that number itself. Next property is the property number 4. It says that if you multiply 0 with any number, then the always answer will come 0. So suppose 8 multiply 0 is 8. 734 multiply 0 is, sorry, this is 0. Okay. So 0 multiply 937 is also 0. So whenever you are multiplying 0 with any number or any number with 0, the result is always will give 0. So that is, you no need to check and divide, just directly you have to write 0 in case of multiplication with 0, and if you are multiplying with 1, then you have to write the number itself, you no need to check and multiply. Okay. So now here with this, using this property, we will find the multiplication of large number. Large number means if suppose it is asking to multiply any number with 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000. So at that time you no need to multiply and check. Just you directly will multiply that number with 1 and you will need to write the number as much as 0 are there. जितना 0 है वो हम लोग को उसके बाद लिख देना है. हम लोग को ये मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं देखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लोग ये बोलते हैं आपको 487 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 1000 से, तो हम लोग इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके नहीं देखेंगे। बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो थाउजेंड्स के ऊपर 487 लिखते हैं, उसके बाद उसको जो नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन है उस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। हम लोग उस तरह से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे। हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग जानते हैं प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन से कोई भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वो नंबर इटसेल्फ होता है। सो 487 एंड 30 है तो 30 हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे। सो दिस इज हाउ डायरेक्टली वी कैन राइट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस टू नंबर इज 487 एंड 000। इसको जब भी हम लोग इससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस नंबर मल्टीप्लाई 1 इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ एंड 30, so we will give the 30 here. So this is the uses of the property of multiplication. Okay, the same way for the other number also you can do. Now instead of 1 it may be 2, 3, 4 also. So if it is 2, 4, 3, for example 72 multiply 200. Okay, so what we will do is we will not multiply here as like normal multiplication. We will just multiply these two numbers. So 2 2 are 4 and 7 2 are 14. So 144 and 2 0 are here. So 2 0 will go. So this is how directly you need to do the multiplication using property. You no need to multiply as like the normal multiplication. Let's take these two examples. Find the product of these two numbers. So first this one. So 29 we will multiply with 5 and whatever the result will come that we will multiply with 1000. Okay. So let's see here 29 multiply 5 is how much? 5 9 are 45. 45 5 4 is carry. So 5 to a 10 plus 4 14. Okay. And how many 0? Thousands with thousands means 30. Okay. So this is the result of multiplication of these two. And here also same you can do 7 to are 14 4. Okay, 1 carry 2 to are 4 5. So 5 54 and 30 so 30 you have to do. So this is how you can find the product without doing the multiplication. You no need to do here the rough multiplication. You have to do directly like this. Okay, for these are this type of questions. Multiplication by 3-digit number. Multiplication by 3-digit number is also same as like the multiplication by 2-digit number. So here as like two number given. So let's here see the answer. Okay, so 246 multiply 34 is equal to how much? Here we will say 246 multiply 34. Okay, so 4 6 are first. In case of multiplication, what we used to do? We used to multiply this number with this 3 and then again this number with this 3. So 4 6 are 24. So 4 2 carry. So 4 4 are 8 times 0 1 carry. 4 2 are 6 7. Now this will be 1 0 here. Okay, because 30 0 here 3 6 are 18 8 1 carry. Okay, then 3 4 are 12 13. Okay, 3 1 carry 1 carry here, so 7 again, so 4 8 0 8, so 8 0 8 4 will be the required product of these two number. Okay, no, this is not correct. Let's see again. You have done wrong here. So 24 4 2 carry. 16 17 18 8 1 carry. 9 0 8 1 carry. 13 1 carry. 7. So 4 16 13 8 8 3 6 4, right? 8364. So 8364 will be the required answer. 8364. Okay. So this is how you can do the multiplication for 3-digit number. Okay. And let's see the rest of all which type of question is there. Here one more example is given. So let's see this one. Okay, so 728 multiplied by 69. For this you need to be very fluent about the table. You need to revise a lots table because without table multiplication is very difficult. 72 to 7, 18 plus 7, 25 to 9, 63, 65, 0, 8, 4, 80, 16, 1, 43, 2, 8 plus 5 is 13, 3, 12, 10, 5, 50232. So this is how it will be 50,232. This is how you can do the rest of all multiplications of exercise 3.2 by yourself. Okay, so let's discuss some word problems now. Word problems related to the multiplication. Okay, so first most important thing is for word problems is to understand the word problems. Read the question, try to understand what the question is asking, because at the time of exam it will not be given that this is the chapter from chapter multiplication or this is chapter from chapter addition subtractions. So with the question you have to understand, क्वेश्चन से आपको समझना है कि करना क्या है, एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन सब्ट्रैक्शन और डिवीजन. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ नहीं रहेगा कि कौन सा चैप्टर से है. ठीक है. First question of exercise 3.3. It is asking, I am not writing the questions. Okay. So a man save this much per month. How many does he save in 4 years? Okay. So here it is given per month, and you have to find for per 4 year. So this is the most important thing to understand. ऐसा नहीं है कि पर ईयर दिया हुआ है, ये पर मंथ दिया हुआ है. सो मंथ से पहले आपको ईयर का निकालना है और फिर ईयर से जो है 4 ईयर का निकालना है. ओके. सो इनकम पर मंथ, ओके, और सेविंग पर मंथ. ओके. is equal to rupees 350. So therefore in 1 year it will be rupees 350 multiply 12. So 35 and 12, let's multiply. 0, 1, 7. Okay. 5, 3, 0, 12, 4, 420 rupees, 420 in 1 year. This is okay. So you have to find for 4 years. Therefore, in 4 years, it will be rupees 420 into 4. Okay. So 400, 4 2 are 8, 4 4 are 16. So 1680 rupees he will save in 4 years. Okay. Next question is Sita type this much of word per minute, and how many words does he type in 2 hours and 20 minutes? So it is given for 1 minute and you have to find for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So there are several ways. See, mathematics is not like that you have to find in a single method. So you can use several methods. So first method you can find for 1 minute. 1 minute is given, so you can convert that hours into minute and multiply. Okay. And another method you can find for 1 hour and then you can add also. So that will be difficult. So try to convert first into minute. Okay. So it is given for 2 hours and 20 minutes. Okay. So question number 20. In 1 minute, how many words it is? Sita is typing 60 word minute in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, 61 words. Okay. So first we have to convert 2 hours and 20 minutes 2 hours and 20 minutes is equal to 2 hours means 2 into 60. So 120 minute plus 20 minutes. So 140 minutes. Here you will write, we know, because we know that this much is equal to this. Okay. So now you have to find for 140 minutes. Therefore, in 140 minutes, Sita will type, Sita, right? Sita will type is equal to 68 into 140. So 68 into 140 means you have to just multiply 68 multiply 14. So let's check. So 952. So 952 and 10 is here. So this much of words per in 2 hours and 20 minutes Sita will type. So this much of words. So this is how you can solve question number 2.
Next question of exercise 3.3 is question number 3. Question number 3 is asking a bag contains 24 kilogram 500 gram sugar. So how much sugar do such 224 bags contain? So first try to understand what the question is asking. There is a bag, एक बैग है जिसमें 24 किलोग्राम और 500 ग्राम शुगर है. तो इस तरह का 224 बैग अगर है तो टोटल शुगर कितना है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट 24 kilogram 500 gram you have to convert into gram. So as we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 24 kilogram will be 24,000 gram. So the total sugar which a particular bag is 24,500 gram. Therefore, the sugar contains in 224 bags is equal to 24,500 multiply 224. So here you no need to multiply 2,500 and 224. You have to only multiply 245 and 224, and whatever the result will come you have to add 20 with that. Okay, I mean you have to write 20 after the whatever the result come. Now let's discuss about the next question, which is question number 4. Question number 4 is Ram has 420 currency notes of 20 rupee each. That means there is a person whose name is Ram. He have 220 currency notes. उसके पास 520 means 520 करेंसी नोट है जो कि एक एक करेंसी नोट 20 रुपीज का है. सो हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव इन ऑल टोटल, हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. आपको ये बताना है कि टोटल करेंसी उनके पास कितना है. अगर एक एक करेंसी 20 रुपीज का है और इनके पास 520 करेंसी है तो हम लोग कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Very good. Definitely. We can find out by multiplying. So we'll no need to multiply 520 and 20. Only we will multiply 52 and 2. So it will be 2 to our 4 and 5 to our 10. So 104. And then we will add 20. Why 20? Because 10 from 520 and 10 of 20. Okay. So this is how directly you can find the answer of question number 4. Next, moving to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5 is a basket contains 228 apples. There is a basket which contains 228 apples. So now you have to find the total number of apples in each 325 baskets. So This is also very simple. As I told, whenever you want to find out any for any calculations, you want to find out from 1 to many, we have to multiply. So here it is given for a particular bucket 228, and you have to find for 325. So we will multiply 228 and 325. Whatever the total result comes, that will be the total number of apples in such 325 baskets. Okay, that's all about question number 5. Now moving to the next question, which is question number 6. Question number 6 is the weight of an the weight of an iron ball is 2 किलोग्राम and 550 ग्राम. सो एक आयरन बॉल है जिसका वेट दिया हुआ है 2 केजी है और 550 ग्राम है. Find the weight of such 12 iron balls. Definitely we will multiply, but before multiplying, what we have to do is we have to convert kilogram into gram. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram. So 2550 gram of each iron ball. So if one iron ball is 2550 gram, then 12 iron balls will be 2550 multiplied 12. So here also you no need to multiply 2550, you just multiply with 255 and 12, and then whatever the result will come, you add 10 after that. Question number 7 is the capacity of a bucket is this much. So find the capacity of this much of bucket. So definitely if the capacity of one bucket is given and if it is asking for many, we'll multiply here also. So one bucket capacity is given 8 kilogram. 8 kilogram means 8000 gram and 500 gram. So 8500 gram is the capacity of one bucket. So for 75 bucket it will be 8500 into 75. So here also we will not gonna to multiply 8500, only you have to do the multiplication of 85 and 75, and whatever the result will come you have to add 20 after that. Okay, next question which we have is question number 8. How many passengers are there in 325 buses if each bus has 59 passengers? सो एक बस में इतना पैसेंजर हम लोग का लेके जा सकता है, 59 पैसेंजर्स लेके जा सकता है. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बसेस जो है 325 है. 325 बस में कितना पैसेंजर लेके जा सकता है. डेफिनेटली ये भी इजी है. अगर हम आपको ये पूछें कि अगर एक बस में 30 आदमी को लेके जा सकता है तो 5 बस में कितना आदमी को लेके जाएगा, तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 5 मल्टीप्लाई 3 एंड 5 3 आर 15 एंड 1 0, सो 150. तो इस तरह से आप इसको भी कर सकते हो. इसको करने के लिए भी आपको 59 पैसेंजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 325 से. सो देयरफॉर द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पैसेंजर्स कैन बी कैरीड फॉर इन 325 बसेस इज इक्वल टू 325 मल्टीप्लाई 59. Whatever the result will come after multiplication, that will be the answer. The multiplication also you have to do in the right hand side of your copy. No need to do somewhere else in rough and all. You do here only by showing that this is how this come. Okay, so that's all about exercise 3.3. Now I hope you can do the rest of, I mean, all questions of exercise 3.3. If you feel any doubts in any questions, you are welcome to ask. Okay, thank you, have a good time, take care.